I come from Italy. I represent San Marino, by my origin are from Eritrea. So I asked my producer to do something like special for me.
Evo, dobar dan, dragi ljudi. Na redu je naš prvi intervju ove godine sa Senhit.
Yes, here I am.
Ciao, Senhit.
Ciao, Emilia.
First impressions of your rehearsal today?
Yeah, it was okay. It was okay. I enjoy a lot after the second round. The third round was better, but I believe the next rehearsal on Thursday will be the best.
A lot of people notice the
crown.
The crown. Yeah, can you say what's the symbol?
Because everybody calls me Freaky Queen, and Freaky comes from my last song of 2020, and I don't know why they call me Queen, and we decided we look at Mazzini to show you how is the Freaky Queen. So I come out with this amazing crown that represents like mother and son, or queen and prince, and it's our way to say we are adrenaline, we are still freaky, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And then I come out with the microphone and I sing the song.
Yeah, you have 10 songwriters. You're one of the 10 songwriters on Adrenalina. Was it difficult for you in these times to work with so many people to record the song?
No, you know, we used from March 2020 worked like Zoom, Skype, and email, and we fix our how do you say in English? Our chat every time.
We were
every
chatting,
day, exactly, by internet, and we decided to build together Adrenalina. In the beginning, Adrenalina was another song, was more a reggaeton song, more Latin. And I asked the musician, I asked the writers to make Adrenalina a little bit like Afrobeat. You know, I come from Italy, I represent San Marino, by my origin are from Eritrea. So I asked my producer to do something like special for me, and we did it, because adrenaline becomes adrenalina, and you can hear like Eritrean instrument that comes in the song and make the beat a little bit ethnico. What do you say in English?
Ethnic, yeah. Were you surprised? And also, I can't forget, you know that today is exactly 10 years since your first year in participation. How come the San Marinese broadcaster asked you again?
Because they decided to call me again in 2020, and after exactly 10 years, and I was super blessed. I felt blessed and grateful, and I decided to do it. And then they canceled the show, and San Marino decided to call me again, and here I am. So I was a different person in sense of I was, insecure and a little bit young, and with a lot of doubt and don't know what to do. So now I'm super focused, and I know Adrenalina, it's my song.
Unfortunately our time has run out, but I just wanted to ask you, what do you think about our entry, our creation entry?
I like it. I really do. It's this ballad song, right? This beautiful lady.
It's up-tempo.
It's a
TikTok.
It's a TikTok. I'm sorry. Albina, right?
Yes.
Albina, exactly. No, I love it. I love the dress. I saw the rehearsal yesterday.
Yeah, you
I
did.
like it. Yes, I love it. Ciao, Emilia. Thank you very much. Ciao.